Welcome to the TechMastermind tutorials. So we will also discuss about in this topic donate car for tax credits. Donating a car to charity. Learn more about what to consider if you are thinking of donating a car on other vehicles to charity. Donating a car is a way to support charitable organizations and benefit from a tax deduction. All donors should be aware that tax deduction for used automobiles, boats, or airplanes are available only to those individuals who donate to a qualified Croatians who itemize deductions on their tax returns. Make sure that you are donating to an eligible organization. Tax deductions are available for donations made to organizations that the Internal Revenue Service has determined to be tax exempt under now $401 of the Internal Revenue Code. To verify an organization qualified status, you can search for the organization on the IRS website to determine whether it is one of the publication's 78 data list of organizations eligible to receive tax deductibles. Charitable contributions. Here are content: the IRS tracks exempt government entities, customer service coaches, synagogues, temples, mosques, and governments are not required to register with a non-profit organization. Public charities divisions are applied to the IRS for tax exempt determination. They may not be listed in publication 78, but donations to these institutions are tax deductible. Ask the charity plenty of questions. Visit the charity website's review in annual financial filings available here, and its IRS Forms 919, which should be available at the above link and here. Consider checking on the charity with an independent charity ratings agency such as the Better Business Bureau. www at this link. Find out what the organization mission in and how your donation will help it. Ask if your donation can go to a particular program or service that interests you, or whether it must go only into the charity general's fund. Do not donate to an organization that about talking about its charitable purpose or refuse to send you information. Ask what the charity will do with your car. Some charities refurbish cars and give them to people in need. Some technical schools use cars in their auto shop programs. Other organizations simply resell the car or sell it part or use the proceeds for their charitable purposes. Ask if the charity handles all aspects of your donations. Many charities contract with for-profit companies to handle all the details of motor vehicles donations. If this is the case, ask how the money from your car donation is split between your charity and the for-profit company.